Today, 320 million tons of plastic are produced globally each year. At best, just 10% of this versatile material is recycled. The rest, it's either burned, buried, or even lost into the environment. Recycling Technologies was founded to solve this problem. We've developed a machine that recycles all types of plastic waste back into the oil it originally came from. What's special about our technology is it's able to tackle plastic currently considered unrecyclable: films, food pouches, laminated plastics such as crisp packets, and even black plastic. Globally, plastic waste is a huge untapped market opportunity that can be converted into 1.5 billion barrels of oil, worth £60 billion. That's almost 3 years of the UK's annual oil consumption.
Plastic is a fantastic material. It keeps our food fresher for longer, makes cars lighter, and is widely used in healthcare. It's hard to imagine a world without plastic, but no one wants to live in a world that is drowning in it either. At Recycling Technologies, we see plastic waste as a valuable resource. We are recycling it to produce an oil we call Plaxx, which has many uses, one of which is making more plastic.
Since formation, we've raised £5 million of equity and £4.5 million of grant funding from the government. These funds have been used to develop and test the technology. Since 2016, we have been successfully operating a near full-scale commercial plant at Swindon Borough Council's waste facility. With support from the Scottish Government, we've reached agreement with the waste operator for the first commercial plant to be operating in Scotland in 2018. A global wax trader has also signed a 5-year agreement to purchase the wax proportion of Plaxx.
We as consumers want to know that when we put something in the recycling bin, it's actually going to get recycled. The beauty about Recycling Technologies is very soon we'll all be able to recycle plastic at home with confidence.
Using our patented process, the machine takes plastic waste and feeds it into a hot chamber in the absence of oxygen. The long polymer chains are cracked to create a range of Plaxx products, including wax and a raw material for making more plastic. Recycling Technologies machines will be modular and mass-produced in a factory, just as you would a car. Coming off the production line, they'll be transported to existing waste sites anywhere in the world. Mass production will allow us to build recycling capacity quickly to meet demand. Our plan is to install 1,300 machines by 2027, producing 7 million tons of Plaxx annually. This will put Recycling Technologies near every city, every beach and every ocean. In the UK, it can cost £100 a tonne for waste companies to dispose of plastic waste. Our technology will turn that cost into an income of £270 per tonne.
So the company has got an excellent management. It's a great idea. Very, very strong and obvious environmental benefits. And the company is just in the right time where it can move from a start-up to a scale-up.
We have a great team here at Recycling Technologies, but of course it's more than just us. We're grateful for the extensive support from universities, grant bodies, our great suppliers, and of course our current investors. Now, with your support, we'll be able to install our first commercial plant in Scotland by the end of 2018. This will be a step change in the story of plastic, which we're really excited about. Join us so that together we can recycle more plastic back into oil and help stem the flow into our oceans. Thank you.